Good morning, everyone. Alex Min with Sierra Sotheby's International Realty, welcoming you to 627 Woodridge Circle in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. This amazing mountain retreat has been lovingly cared for by the same local family for almost 2 decades. And now with this changing of the guard, we're hoping you might be the next stewards of this beautiful estate. Come on in. This home has an access-friendly level entry, which is rare in Tahoe due to the rolling terrain. This great room has an exceptionally tall vaulted ceiling with large windows filling the span. Incline Village has great tax benefits, including well below the national average property tax, as well as no state income tax. Other features include automatic smart blinds, gas fireplaces, a 2-car garage, as well as plenty of additional storage. There are 4 bedrooms, all with their own private bathroom. 1 bedroom is on the first floor with no steps to access. The seller is offering creative financing below market rate. Please call us for details. So one of my favorite parts of this amazing home is this lovely expansive deck with shots of Lake Tahoe through the trees, all overlooking the amazing grounds, landscape yards, waterfall, totem pole. Very private, secluded, but yet still just a few minutes to the shores of Lake Tahoe. There are 4 beautiful beaches in Incline that are exclusive to residents and resident guests. Also part of this master plan community are 2 18-hole golf courses, a tennis, pickleball, and recreation center, as well as Diamond Peak Ski Resort, which boasts some of the best views of Lake Tahoe. So one of the not so obvious features of this house is underneath the main living area is a really large finished and unfinished area underneath that is perfect for an expansion for a game room or in-law suite. We also have the expansive backyard with a play structure, amazing landscaping, and peaceful sitting areas. Contact us for more information on this unique property.